History tends to repeat itself. And yes, fear in the marketplace is real. But let me tell you what's going to go on in today's market. And let me update the small account challenge. So, yesterday, again, they sold off the market. I secured profit. I could have secured a lot more profit. I left $700 on the table for a small account challenge, which the small account's at 1700. So, that's a significant portion. That's like about 40% on the table. Now, going into today, remember, I'm a contrarian and the markets were flat. I said at the end of the day that the markets will likely rebound on Wednesday. Now, the reason I said that, number one, first, sanctions have been implemented. There's nothing new on that front. We also know the Fed will likely raise interest rates 25 basis points come March 10th decision, which will probably be in effect by March 15th. I believe the market has that factored in. So the market will wait on the Fed to report. All right, so let's bring up the SPY chart so I can tell you what I'm seeing in the SPY and how you can make money today. Okay, here's the SPY chart. So what I saw, again, I told you Thursday, huge volume, buying the dip. Friday, again, they bought the dip. Monday, it dipped hard and yet it recovered. And I'm just going crazy. Okay, they want to push it up. Sure, they'll push it up to 440. What happened yesterday? Sell off, big sell off. So here we are at 429. Now remember, yesterday afternoon, I said, the market kind of looks like it's regaining strength. I wouldn't be surprised to see the SPY at 436. So I'm not changing that prediction. I was just about 5 hours early. I believe the SPY will go to 436 today, and I believe it might actually push a little higher to 437. At that time, I might sell my puts in the UVXY. The UVXY is currently down 3.5% overnight. Now, let's remember at 4 a.m. this morning, it actually spiked up 1%. Do not pay attention to pre-market after hours all that much because less than 1% of trading happens. So let me see if I can bring up UVXY. It closed at 2034. Now, if you're part of my Discord, you know that I came on at 345 and I warned everybody, hey, end of day is going to be violent. Secure your profit if you'd like. I think the UVXY was around 1974. With that said, it spiked at the end of the day, as I kind of predicted. After hours, I don't pay attention to, and I was expecting a nice drop off today of possibly 10%, which would be a full $2 on the UVXY, taking it down to $18.34. So let's just go to the 1 month chart because what you can see is it's spiking. Volume wasn't crazy. Volume was bigger here. Volume was bigger here. So let's go to the 3 month chart. Now, what you see is every time the UVXY spikes, it comes down. Spike, come down. Spike, comes down. Spike, you think it's going higher, right? Even though they're selling off into it, then they're buying the spike, spiking higher. Not even great volume, but outflow, outflow, outflow. And it goes down to 1357 from 1865. Do you see the pattern? Spike, it goes down. Spike, it goes down. Okay, now it's wavering a little, but this is a pretty serious spike yesterday. Remember, I think the UVXY went up like 17 or 18% off 1 day of trading. What generally happens, and there was outflow in the UVXY, which tells me that the big money were selling their positions that they use as hedges. So more than likely, the UVXY will go down. Now, again, I don't have the exact timing on it, but if I assume the UVXY is going to go down, I can see it definitely right around here, 1680, which would make the options that I bought with a small account, I think I paid like $1.50 or something to that extent, it would make them worth, $3.40. So I am looking for 100% gain by the end of the week. Whether I sell my options today, you'll have to follow me on Discord, or you can follow the small account challenge on Iris. But remember, I'm here to give market guidance. I'm here to help you, and I drop videos every day. If you like this one, check out the next one because I guarantee it's going to provide you more knowledge about the market and help you become a better and more efficient trader.